So here I have an Epson XP-15000, and it has nice colors and whatnot, but it's jamming, and you can just barely see, but it was jamming here, and then I looked, and it looks like there's this hair band in there, so that's why it was jamming. So just check if you have a jam. You can see where it's jamming, and then you can check that. I've also seen a toothpick before it get caught in the rollers, so just lift up. You can lift up the rollers there. You can lift up the rollers, and sometimes there gets stuff jammed in there too. So that's something to check. So we'll see if it jams now. I'm just printing an alignment head on the printer here.